Hello, this is Brian Holly from Oceans Atlantic Success Plan. Just wanted to welcome you to my channel and let you know if you need any help or have any questions about making money online, drop me a comment, ask me anything you'd like, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And just letting you know that I'll be recommending products and courses that I either buy personally or know people that are using them and that they work as far as making money online, as long as you know, do what you're supposed to, what they say to do, and apply everything. But I don't promote or recommend any products that I haven't used or that I don't use. I don't recommend something just to make a buck on it. I only recommend things that I know will legitimately help you make money online by either, like I said, me using them and making money, or people I know personally using them and making money. And therefore, I will try to, upload videos of different courses or products every, I'm not saying every couple of days, or it might be every week and a half, depending on what products come out and what I think about them and how they work. But other than that, I will try to put out and upload any new videos as soon as possible for the different products that I recommend. Anyway, and like I said, if you need any help or have any questions, just drop me a line. I'll get back to you with answering your questions. And anyway, subscribe to my channel and look for the different things that I recommend. Like I said, I don't just recommend stuff to make money. That's not who I am. I don't want to buy something and it not work for me. So if it's not working, I'm not promoting or recommending it. I only recommend things that work. Anyway, subscribe to my channel, Oceans Atlantic Success Plan, and let's get you making some money online and being successful. Anyway, have a good day, night, wherever you are in this world. Have a good one, y'all. All right, bye.